As a small business owner, it can be difficult to find a good CRM at an affordable price. Well, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you one of the best CRMs for small business, as we'll be reviewing Bigin CRM. I'll be showing you step by step how to set up an account, and also I will be showing you their different features. So with this tutorial, you'll be able to get a quick walkthrough of the platform, and you'll also know about the features so that you can decide whether this is the CRM for you. Some of the features that Bigin CRM offers are pipeline management, customer management. So with pipeline management, you'll be able to manage your team, and you'll also be able to track your sales. They also offer automation, and you can also set up team collaboration. So you can see that this is definitely a good CRM as it offers numerous features. And what I also like about it is you can get started for completely free, as they offer a 15-day free trial period, and you don't need a credit card to sign up. All you'll need to do is enter your name, email address, and create a password, then tap on sign up for free. Or you can sign up using your Google or LinkedIn account. Once you're signed up and you have verified your email address, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And to get started on the dashboard, you can create your first pipeline. So to create your first pipeline, all you'll need to do, right where you see team pipelines, you could simply tap right there if you would like to create a team pipeline. And another thing that I also like with the Bigin CRM is they offer you numerous templates. And what do I mean by that? Instead of creating a new theme pipeline from scratch, you could simply tap on clone from theme pipeline, and you will tap on pick a template. After you have tapped on pick a template, you can see the different templates right here. So you can see the different heading on the left hand column. So for example, you have sales pipeline, and you can see how it looks. You can tap on customer support. After you have tapped on customer support, you can see how the pipeline looks at the moment. If you would like to create one for customer onboarding or customer testimonials or project tracking, or you can even create a pipeline for recruitment, as you can see right there. There are numerous options that you can choose from. All you'll need to do is scroll down, and it does not matter the industry that you're in. Whether you're in real estate, software consulting, insurance, legal, education training, or a used car sale, you'll be able to create a pipeline using Bigin. For example, if we were in the used car business, we could simply tap on that. Then we would tap on use this template. After you have tapped on use this template, you can see the pipeline right here. Now to add your own information, all you'll need to do, for example, to add your first deal, you could tap on the plus right where you see deal. You could tap right here. After you have done that, from there you'll be able to fill in the deal name, and you can fill in their contact information and company name, and you can also choose the stage that you're in the pipeline. So you can see right here, follow up done. Is it the car selected? And you can also see if you have just reached the negotiation period, you can select that. Once you're finished, you can tap on save. And by the way, if you want to add any custom fields, you can do that by tapping on custom fields. And also to create a product, you could tap on products right there. After you have tapped on products, from there you could tap on search. Then you'll select new product. After you have selected new product, you'll be able to enter your product name, create a product code, and you can also add your price that you would like to offer your product at. So that is how you'd be able to create a pipeline. Now I've shown you how to create a pipeline, how to create a deal, and by the way, you can also go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the arrow beside deal, and from there, if you would like to import deals, you can do that, or import notes. And also if you would like to create a form, all you'll need to do is tap on create forms. After you have tapped on create forms, you can tap on New Form in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can select whether it is a contact form or a pipeline form. And we'll be selecting Create a Contact Form. After you have tapped on Create Contact Form, you can see right here. So at the moment, it only has last name. To collect their email also, you can simply drag and place email. And if you would like to collect their phone number, or if you would like to select email opt-in, you can also do that. If you would like to collect their zip code, you can do that also. And by going over to the top left hand corner, you could select tools, and you can see the different tools that you can add. So if you would like to add your privacy policy, you can do that. If you would like to add a file upload, you can also do that. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on settings right here if you would like to rename a field. And you can also tap right here if you would like to edit how the button looks, and you can also edit the button text. Then you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and you can see how it looks right there. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner, then tap on next step. So we're going to enter our form name. I'll simply name this form test, then tap on next step. After you have tapped on next step, you can scroll down, and if you would like to enable double opt-in, you can do that right there. And you can see what should the visitor see when they submit this form. And I would recommend that you select thank you message. And all you'll need to do now is tap on save and next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on save and next, you can see that the form has been created. If it is a case that you would like to embed this form onto your website, you can tap on embed, and you'll be able to copy the HTML code that you can paste onto your website. And if it is a case that you would like to get a QR code, all you'll need to do is tap on download, and you'll be able to download the QR code. And if you don't have a website and you don't want the QR code, you simply want to email it or share it on any social media platform, all you'll need to do is tap on copy link, and you'll be able to share it. Once you're finished, you can tap on done. After you have tapped on done, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option once more, and from there you could tap on workflows. And to create a new workflow, all you'll need to do is tap on new workflow in the top right hand corner. Then you can give the workflow a name. So let's say, for example, I will name this first day. After you have done that, you can tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, you can see trigger on a record action, and you can select that. So you could tap on next right there, and you can choose the conditions, and you can choose a property. So for example, closing date created, and you can also select deal name. Then you'll tap on next right here. So let me do that real quick. Instead of being that, I'll simply select closing date. Then I'll enter the closing date right there. Tap on next. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see actions. So whether you would like to send an email, create a task, update field, you can do that. Then you can tap on next. So with this platform, you'll also be able to create automations, as you can see right there. And by going over to the left hand menu option once more, if you would like to add contacts, you can tap on contacts. And then you can add new contacts by going over to the top right hand corner and tapping on the plus beside contact. Once you have tapped on the plus, you are going to see a drop down menu, and from there you can enter the person's first name, last name, title, email address, and all of their information. And to add new companies, you can tap on companies from the left hand menu option, then tap on company in the top right hand corner to add the company information. And again, to create a product, you could tap on products from the left hand menu option. Then you could tap on add product. After you have tapped on add product, you can add the product name, create a product code, and also choose a category. And if you like to monitor your activities or create new activities, you can do that. And you can integrate different calendars on Bing. So for example, if you would like to integrate your Google Calendar or so on, you can do that using this platform, as it offers numerous features and also integrations. And you can set your tasks right here, so you'll be able to better manage your time and also your team members' time. And that's about it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.